my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Backyard parties are right around the corner. And besides firing up the barbecue and throwing on some hot dogs and burgers, we also want to make a nice appetizer. Chip dip recipes are always a delicious choice, like crab artichoke, 6-layer chip dip, pumpernickel spinach, smoked salmon, and others, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my beer cheese dip. This American appetizer is so tasty. My version is mild, although I do use some hot sauce. Served with tortilla chips, pretzels, or crudité, this is a dish your guests will certainly enjoy. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll take our room temperature beer and pour it into a measuring cup and leave it out until it gets flat. We don't want any carbonation. When it's flat, which won't take that long, we'll start making the dip. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add butter. And when it's melted, we'll add flour. We'll whisk until our roux turns golden, about a minute and a half. Next, we'll pour a small amount of flat beer and keep whisking until the mixture starts getting thick, before pouring a little more in until the beer is all gone, whisking constantly. To this, we'll add whole milk, some Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of smoked paprika, and the same with garlic powder. We'll give a good whisk until the ingredients are nicely blended and continue whisking until the sauce starts to thicken, about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Then we'll add the sharp cheddar cheese, and lots of it. We'll whisk the mixture until the cheese is melted before tasting and adjusting if necessary. It might need some ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. One ingredient for sure we'll add is hot sauce. The brand I'm using is Cholula because I think it gives the right flavor to the dip. Can you use other ones like Frank's, Yellowbird, Tabasco, or Valentina? Sure. After all, this is your dip. We'll whisk once again, and when the mixture starts simmering, we'll cook for a few minutes or until the sauce thickens further. We'll serve it warm with tortilla chips, pretzels, or veggies. And my friends, this is our beer cheese dip. Smooth and delicious, this is a great spread to have in your folder. Besides using it as a dip, it can also be poured over nachos and garnished with jalapeno peppers, just like what you can buy at most ballparks. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit topfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!